Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and today's video is going to be my Walmart beauty box. Alright beauties, this is a special limited edition Halloween box. It was only $10. I'm not sure if it's still available at the time that I am filming. I will pop it up here if it is. But it was a $10 box and you're supposed to receive a bunch of makeup items that are full size that are supposed to help you create amazing Halloween looks. Of course, I got it a little bit late. I do apologize. But before we jump in, please don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. And don't forget to tap that notification bell down below so that you're notified of future uploads. We are going to dive in. Let me get my handy dandy little scissors over here. Okay. And my Walmart fall box should be coming soon. So we have this little card inside and it says Walmart Beauty. You could have picked, I think, like a lip or a nail box. I think I got the nail box, I want to say. So this right here will show all of our products. I'm going to put that to the side. So first up is something from Hard Candy. This is a color liquid eyeliner and lash boost serum. And it says black to basic. So I'm just going to assume it is basic black. The packaging is super, super cute. So I'm really excited to have that. And I'm pretty sure this is at least $6 or $7. That's almost the price of the box itself. This I'm excited about. This is from Milani. This is their Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter. And it says Rose Gold. And it is a full size, and it says Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter on it. I am going to test that out and see what it looks like. We did get a cute little makeup remover cleansing towelette single, which is the Neutrogena ones. These used to be my holy grail. Next up is a NYX Professional Makeup Shout Loud Satin Lipstick in Red Haute, like Haute Couture. That packaging is super, super pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Alright, let's open her up and see what she looks like, darlings. Oh, that's like a deep, deep, like wine red. That is actually one of my favorite shades of red. Y'all know that I don't always wear regular lipsticks, but it does look super, super pretty. Should we try it on? Let's try it on, y'all. BRB. I don't feel like it's the most opaque. I feel like I kind of have to keep going over it. I also want to note, too, let me get as close as I can. There's like a really beautiful little heart that's kind of cut out on there, and then of course like the side of it had a heart on it. That is so cute, you guys. I love that. I'm a sucker for packaging, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, not something I think I would use all the time, although this is the type of red that I really do like. And it looks really pretty with the navy that I'm wearing. I just have a cami on and then my little cardigan from Royal Aura that I freaking love. I do have a discount code with Royal Aura. It's always down below. I will say that if you look this up, I'll pop a picture right here as well of what it looks like. This is very size forgiving. I always order her 3X and everything that I order from them. And I mean, it's quite roomy and stuff like that. So this is the only piece I'm going to tell you that I've tried thus far that if you like clothing to fit kind of more true to size down in it. And sorry if you hear hubby, he just got home. He went to go get me some medicine. He's so sweet. But yeah, I really do like it. I like the fact that it doesn't feel sticky or anything. I feel like it wasn't quite as opaque. Maybe that's just the formulation of it. Let's go ahead and try this little strobe cream as well. Again, it is Milani Strobe Light. And then we'll get into the rest of the stuff that's in the package. I don't always prefer these types of products. The packaging is really beautiful. I am somebody that if I use the... Is it broke or is that how it comes? Wait, I'm confused. Does it come from... Okay, sorry guys. I've never used this before. I typically do not go straight to my skin with these. I will put it on my hand and then use a sponge or like a stippling type brush and then stipple it. Or my preferred method is to mix it in with either my moisturizer or my foundation. This is slightly deep on me. So again, with this particular product, although it's stunning, we'll see how it dries down. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. But with this, I would definitely mix it probably in with my foundation or something. Oh, that's pretty though. Actually, it's not too dark. I think it looks really pretty now that I blended it out. Let's do just one little dot on this side. I'm a little nervous now. I actually like the delivery method of this as well. I feel like you can kind of really pinpoint exactly where you want it at, and that's pretty nice. So again, I'm just going to press it out. I'm always really leery of products like this. I think that's another reason why I mix them in with kind of my complexion products or my skincare products. Sometimes products like this can pull up your foundation, so they're not always my favorite. This actually doesn't seem to be doing that. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I like this. I like this a lot. I may not be able to get a whole lot of use out of it right now as I'm kind of getting, you know, more light. Excuse me. But I think definitely during the summertime again, I think it's going to be really, really stunning. All right. Next up is a standard red nail polish from Sinful Colors. I will definitely be using this. Again, I love the combination. Like, I love black, white, and red. I love navy, white, and red, or navy and red. So I will use that for sure. Next up is a Splat Color Highlight Hair Chalk in Midnight Blue. And then it also shows you what other colors you could have gotten. So already, I mean, we've gotten well over our price of $10. Last, but certainly not least, darlings, is the Revlon Color Stay. It is a little eyeshadow quad in the shade Moonlit. I will not keep this. It's a little kind of too cool tone for me, and I also pretty much probably already have these particular shadows, so I will pass that along. And then we'll quickly read about everything so we know everything that we got. We got our Neutrogena Makeup Remover Towelette. These individually wrapped, pre-moistened facial cleansing wipes gently and effectively dissolve traces of dirt, oil, and 99% of makeup, even stubborn waterproof makeup. And like I said, I've used those for years and years and years and years. I really do love them. Next up was our Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous liquid eyeliner. I love that name. But first, eyeliner. From thin to thick lines, this matte eyeliner dries down quickly for a mess-free and easy-to-use application. I'm really excited to try that. I've never tried their brand of eyeliner. The Splat Hair Chalk. Available in 7 vibrant shades, this temporary chalk slides on dry and instantly adds just the right touch of color to your tresses. The Milani Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter, which is freaking beautiful, and it dried down completely matte to the touch, like it doesn't feel sticky or weird or anything like that. I really like it. A beauty secret that you'll want to keep to yourself. This illuminator includes ultra fine micro pearls to brighten features and give your complexion a glow that lasts all day. The NYX Shout Loud Satin Lipstick. I really like it. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything like that. It didn't have a weird harsh waxy scent to it. This pigment-packed satin lipstick loads lips with intense, rich color and delivers up to 4 hours of hydration in just one swipe. I will say that it does feel super hydrating. Again, it didn't seem the most opaque. The Revlon Color Stay 16-Hour Eyeshadow. Create subtle and sultry looks that stay put with 4 rich, shimmery shades that don't crease, fade, or smudge. So that's pretty neat. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that as well. They're all a metallic kind of shimmery finish. I mean, super beautiful though. I don't need it. The Sinful Colors Professional Nail Polish. Easy to apply and remove. These fun shades offer bold color payoff, detailed texture, and over-the-top fun right at your fingertips. So I'm really excited about this. Again, it was meant to kind of create more kind of smoky, sultry type of Halloween vibes, Halloween looks. Definitely, for sure, was worth the $10. I kind of want to try this little thing right here. I've never used this before. Of course, I'm not afraid of color. I've had colored hair for many, many years. Oh, okay. I didn't realize it came like this. So let's see what she's all about. All right, y'all. Let's see what this thing's all about. I've never used this, so if I do it wrong, don't judge me. It says you just slide it down your hair. Perhaps I'm dumb. Oh, no, I do see. Oh, wow. Oh, that's pretty. And it just so happened I was wearing navy blue today. That's kind of cool. Oh, wow. That's easy. It's not tugging or anything like that. It feels super soft. Oh, I like that. Okay, that's really cool, you guys. I definitely think this is worth $10 for sure. Again, they normally do the seasonal box, and that is only $5. I think it's a super cool way. Again, that's why I like Ipsy and Boxy and things like that. This is such a really good way to inexpensively try a ton of different brands and kind of see what you really love. Like that Milani, I never would have gone into the store and picked that because it's just not something I use all the time. Also, you guys know I don't wear bullet lipsticks. I don't even think I own one. Now I do. Yeah, but they're not my favorite because of the scent and things like that. But trying this, I'm reminded that maybe the lipsticks have changed, obviously, over the years. So I do like the color. It took, again, a couple swipes to kind of build up the pigmentation of it, but I think it's super, super pretty, and it looks really good with the navy, and now the navy in the hair. Really, really quickly before I go, I'm going to open up also some little happy mail that I got from my squad sister, Toni. She is linked down below, as is Patrice, and as is Jackie at all times. But she sent me some happy mail. I have no idea what is in here, but I just got it actually right before I started filming. I always feel like I end up getting happy mail, or just something will happen when I'm not necessarily feeling the best, whether physically or mentally. And people somehow find a way to just cheer me up without knowing that they're about to cheer me up, if that makes any sense. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so, oh, she said Queen Riri. You're so sweet, Toni. She's getting ready to go on vacation. I'm gonna need you to go and let me live vicariously through you. I need a million pictures. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. So, let's open it up. How cute. No problema. That's adorable. Okay, hey beautiful. I hope you are well. I just wanted to send you something. I have included a note to detail what is all in the box. I hope you love it all, Toni. Aw, thank you so much, Toni. Let me take the stuff out and then we'll read the note in case... Alright. And she said everything in here is like homemade, handmade, things like that. And you guys know I love, love, love homemade, handmade, personalized things. So, okay. Number 1 says handmade mask. I found this fabric and me and my mother-in-law made 4 masks. One for you, one for me, and my 2 daughters. Oh, so here's the mask. I'm not going to try this on my face today, obviously, you guys. Coronavirus. Oh my god. That is adorable. And owls, which I collect owls if you guys didn't know that already. Oh wow, that is beautiful. And it's got glitter and stars. I love it. And they even put like a little piece in there. I cannot wait to wear this. I cannot wait to wear this in public. Thank you so much. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely stunning. It is double-sided. It also has like the little orange on the inside. I love it. I love it. Okay. Number 2. Handmade Swiffer sweeper covers. Wash and reuse them. Yes, please. I love my Swiffer, y'all. And they're tie-dye. That's amazing. There's this one right here. We have a plain teal one. And you can see like the part that just slides over the Swiffer part. And another tie-dye one. I love that. How strange is this that everything is navy and matching what I'm already wearing? I think the iris is thinking about me. And now Toni is sending stuff. It's a vibe, y'all. It is a vibe. Thank you so much. What I'm seeing now, I'm super stoked about because, as you guys know, I just decorated for fall as well. Number 3, fire starters made from 100% recycled materials. My kids make and sell them. Enjoy. No way! That is so cute, you guys. It's got the little wick on it, of course, to start the fire. Little pine cone. Those are so cute. I'm decorating with these until we actually need them. I love little pine cones and stuff like that. I love, you guys already know, I love beautiful warm fall tones and stuff too. And I love decorating my home. So they sent 4 of them. Thank you so much. You guys. That is so freaking cool. I've never seen these. I've never seen anything like this before. That's really freaking neat. Thank you so much, Toni. I appreciate you so, so much. You guys, Toni, Patrice, and Jackie are always linked down below. Please, please, please go check them out. And y'all know what I say. If you are feeling a vibe, feeling a connection, you can relate to that beauty, subscribe. It is free for you and means the absolute world to us. Toni, thank you so, so much, girl. Especially feeling under the weather right now. This cheered me right up. That mask is insane. I absolutely love it. I wish I could try it on my face right now. Thank you so, so much, Toni. I truly appreciate you so much. Thank you guys for coming and watching and spending some time with me. I really appreciate y'all. And be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.